Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make Guilin rice noodles. It's a very famous noodle in China. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 100 grams soybeans one night in advance. Use water to wash soybeans. Add 1 teaspoon salt, enough water into the bowl. Stir them evenly. We can also adjust the taste to our flavor by tasting the water. Then immerse them for at least 10 hours. After 10 hours, drain the soybeans. Then put the soybeans into the pan and fry the water over medium heat. After that, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil into the pan. Then stir fry them over low heat. After they become burnt yellow, it means that the soybeans are cooked. Then save them for later. Second, we should prepare ingredients. Cut and leek into pieces. Then save them for later. Cut 6 slices of ginger. Then save them for later. Cut 15 grams pickled red peppers into pieces. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 3 eggs. Firstly, put eggs into the pan. Add enough water to immerse them. Then use medium fire to boil them. After the water has boiled, use a small fire to cook it for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, drain them and put them into the cold water to immerse for 3 minutes. Then drain and shell them. Next, we should prepare 500 grams sirloin. Cut sirloin into pieces. We can also cut into pieces we like. Then save them for later. Next, we should brine sirloin and eggs. Add 2 tablespoons sunflower oil, 1 tablespoon sugar into the pan. Then use a small fire to stir fry them. After the sugar becomes dark and have foam, add sirloin into the pan. Stir fry them evenly. Then 5 bay leaves, 5 grams Chinese cinnamon, 5 grams salt peppercorns, 5 grams star anise, 5 grams fennel, leek, ginger into the pan. Stir fry them for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce into the pan. Stir fry them evenly. Then put them into the saucepan. Add eggs, enough water into the saucepan. Use bigger fire to boil them. After the water has boiled, use a small fire to cook it for 1 hour. You should skim the bubble when the water is boiling. After 1 hour, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 bunch of green onions into the saucepan. Then continue to cook it for 30 minutes. Drain the eggs. After the eggs become cold, cut them in half. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 200 g pickled cowpea. Use water to wash pickled cowpea twice. Then cut them in 2 pieces. Then 1 tablespoon sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Have pickled red peppers into the pan. Stir fry them until fragrant. Then pickled cowpea into the pan. Stir fry them for 1 minute. It can help us to maintain the crispiness of pickled cowpea. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 100 g pickled sour bamboo shoot. Use water to wash pickled sour bamboo shoot twice. Then 1 tablespoon sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Have pickled red peppers into the pan. Stir fry them until fragrant. Then pickled sour bamboo shoot into the pan. Stir fry them for 1 minute. Then half teaspoon light soy sauce. Half teaspoon salt into the pan. Stir fry them evenly. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 1 lettuce. Use water to wash lettuce. Then enough water into the pan. Use a big fire to boil it. After the water has boiled, add lettuce into the pan to blanch it for 30 seconds. Then drain and put them into the cold water to wash. Then save them for later. Now we can start to cook Guilin rice noodles. Add enough water into the pan. Use a bigger fire to boil it. After the water has boiled, add Guilin rice noodles into the pan. We should also stir them from time to time to avoid sticking the pan. Then cook it until easy to chop it off with chopstick. Then drain them and put them into cold water to immerse for 3 minutes. Then drain and put them into the bowl. Then some lettuce, some pickled sour bamboo shoot, some pickled cowpea, some soybeans, half egg, some sirloin, enough brine soup into the bowl. They've got the delicious Guilin rice noodles. The noodles is very smooth. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.